The next topic is personnel program. First is the national policy institutional development to formulate and implement a national internal security policy and strategy. Rationalize the overall institutional framework of the police system, improve the functional delineation and coordination between the law enforcement agencies and the conventional police institution. Remove institutional mechanisms that render the PNP vulnerable to politicization and erode its unity of command and internal management authority. Strengthen the NAFOLCOM as body tasked with the formulation of rules, regulations, and standards for the entire police system. Adopt mechanism for institutional continuity and stability, particularly in police leadership, and firmly establish a self-administering and managing professional PNP. Next is the police operations. To initiate reforms in rules and procedures in the conduct of police operations. Provide police station with the appropriate work tools and strengthen crime research to support more effective crime management operations. The next is facilities development. To upgrade physical facilities and equipment in support to police field operations, including the updating of police equipment standards and the development of a multi-year financing and procurement plan. Development and upgrading of the facilities, equipment, and physical setup of the PNP Crime Laboratory. And the provision of model infrastructure for police stations and substations. An important component of this program is the improvement of capacities for the management and preservation of police evidence. The fourth is human resources management and development. To initiate policy reforms in human resource development and improve the human resources management system, including staffing, recruitment and selection, personnel administration, career development and promotion, police remuneration, and police education and training. Performance monitoring and evaluation, and police discipline. Two important components of this program include the re-engineering of the institutional framework of police education and training, and particularly strengthening the capacities organization of the Philippine Public Safety College. Integrating all police training therein and strengthening police education and training curricula, and the establishment of a PNP pension and insurance corporations. The next is the strategic planning and performance management. To design and institutionalize a strategic planning system within the PNP, strengthen operational planning capacities of mission-critical units, develop results-based monitoring and evaluation system which will be run at the operational and oversight levels of the PNP organizations. An essential component of this program will be the formulation and implementation of a crime indicator system that will identify an appropriate set of indicators that will guide the monitoring and evaluation of the country's crime situation and its performance, and the corresponding procedures for data generation and reporting. The next is the information communication technology. To develop and implement a PNP Integrated Crime Management Information System of CMIS, the system will be designed to work as part of the broader Criminal Justice Information System architecture. The PNP CMIS will operate at the police station level, providing transaction processing modules that will feed into a crime database, tracking and monitoring system that will enable crime mapping and analysis at station and higher geographic levels. The next is the demonstration of excellence through development of best practices. To demonstrate the effectiveness of the fundamental institutional and system reforms by combining them with the more comprehensive locality or community-based peace-in-order planning and management that will involve various stakeholders. The 9 is public information and advocacy. To support the implementation of the transformation program from start to finish by providing broad and stakeholder information, education and advocacy strategies and intervention which will engender active cooperation and support. The 10 is reform management. Take the lead in implementing the medium-term reform program by enhancing the institutional framework and operating mechanism of the PNP. Prepare plans and manage the interchange management and day-to-day reform development. Content, synchronization, and implementation of management processes. Anti-corruption. Envision to prevent the misuse of power and position in the PNP organization, which undermines the integrity of police personnel along with the promotion of police integrity and morality as primary law enforcers. The last is promotion of human rights. aims to promote human rights as a basic value in the conduct of operations and in accordance with the international standards of human rights and policy.